Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat corned beef. This versatile meat can be enjoyed in many ways, whether hot or cold. Understanding how to prepare and serve it will enhance your dining experience. We'll cover the best methods for slicing and pairing it with delicious sides. Get ready to discover new favorites and make the most of your corned beef. When serving hot, classic pairings like tender cabbage and boiled potatoes are always a hit. For a satisfying lunch, pile thinly sliced, warm corned beef onto rye bread with Swiss cheese and sauerkraut for a delicious Reuben. You can also dice it and combine with potatoes and onions for a hearty breakfast hash, or add it to your favorite stew. Cold corned beef offers fantastic versatility for quick meals. It's perfect for classic deli-style sandwiches, perhaps with a touch of mustard or horseradish. Thinly sliced, it makes a wonderful addition to a charcuterie board alongside cheeses and crackers. You can also chop it into a fresh green salad for a protein boost, or use it in wraps for a light lunch. To ensure the most tender bite, always slice your corned beef against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making it easier to chew. Use a sharp carving knife for clean, even slices. For storage, place any cooked leftovers in an airtight container and refrigerate them promptly. This helps maintain freshness and ensures your corned beef remains delicious for future meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.